to remove automated bank feed if you prefer to use, let's say, manual transaction entries, or maybe you want to do bank statement uploads instead of using automated bank feeds. So the way how you would do, you would go to your banking, look at a bank account which you want to degrade or change to another method, click on bank feeds, like an entry method, and select, let's say, file import and save bank account. And when you go back to your bank account, bank feed have been removed, and now you will be able to do file import for this bank account. It's the same if you don't want to do file imports, click on entry method and change to manual. In that case, you will need to enter every single entry manually. So for example, now I changed to manual. When you click on blue button, it will automatically gives you an entry line to manually enter transaction. If you go to bank accounts and you change your entry method to file import, save bank account, and click on blue button, it will automatically provide for you to do file uploads. This is a way how you can remove automated bank feeds and select any other entry method on Pandle accounting software.